Hi guys, we are back for another video. Thank God, thank our Lord Jesus Christ, we are back. Okay, so we are going to solve a calculus question. So this is a past question 2018, and then we need to prove this identity. Okay, so what are we supposed to do? So there are two ways to do such a question, and it's a 3 mark, by the way. You either transform your left hand side, so you use different ways. You have different things you must do involving identities to transform it in order for it to be similar to your left. So this left hand side, must be similar to your left hand side by using different things. Okay, or you subtract the left with the right and show that it is equal to 0. I will choose the first one. It's quite easier to me, so let's get into it. So I have it already written here. So I'm supposed to prove this identity. I have sine theta plus cos theta into bracket times into bracket 1 minus sine theta cos theta is equal to sine theta plus cos cube sine cube theta plus cos cube theta. Okay, so I want to show, as I said earlier on, that my left hand side, it is equal to my right hand side. Okay, so I'll expand this expression first, and then through the expansion, then we transform it for you to see that it's the same thing as this expression on the right hand side. Okay, so I'm expanding this, so I'll have sine theta 1 minus sine theta cos theta, okay, plus cos theta 1 minus sine theta cos theta. Okay, so some of you guys can be quite confused with the sine theta cos theta. So you can make a substitution. You can say, when you are writing to your examiner, let sine theta be equal to S and cos theta be equal to C. Okay, so it's easier for you. So I will now use this expression instead of sine theta and cos, and you know it's just a substitution. So right now sine theta times 1, so I'll write equality here, S minus S squared C, because sine theta times sine theta is sine squared theta, so I'll write S squared C, plus cos theta minus SC squared. Okay, so what do I do? You can see that in your right hand side you have sine cube theta plus cos cube theta. You don't have any expression involving both of this trick, which is sine and cos together, so you have to break it down. So you use the identity that you must know. Okay, we all know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or you can write it S squared plus C squared is equal to 1 using the substitution. So knowing this, I know that S squared is the same thing as 1 minus C squared. Okay, and then I know also that C squared is equal to 1 minus S squared, and I can use both. Okay, I can use it to substitute that in this what I have here. Okay, so I'll have S, which is sine theta. So I'll write this this instead of this here. So I'll have 1 minus C squared times C. Let me write it C here. So it's a multiplication, so I can write it here. It's the same thing. Plus C minus S, okay, 1 minus S squared. Okay, because cos squared theta, as I said, is the same thing as that. Okay, so then I'm expanding. So I'm having S minus C plus C cube. Okay, we are getting somewhere, right? And then plus C minus S plus S cube. Okay, I'm getting somewhere, right? So what do I see? I can cancel this expression. Okay, I have S minus S, so this can be cancelled, and then C. So what do I get? I get C cube plus S cube. What do I know from the substitution? It means that it is the same thing as cos cube theta plus sine cube theta, and you know that addition is commutative. Okay, we know that in addition A plus B is the same thing as B plus A, so it's the same thing as what is written here, sine cube theta plus cos cube cos cube theta, which is, I just proved that for you. Okay, so if you have any question, please drop a comment below. Okay, and then I'll respond to you, and then I'll keep on posting other questions as I used to do, and then in case you have any problem, please let me know. Okay, bye guys.